Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys, it's the number 125. But well, before we get into this guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Oh yeah, I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the plastic, but well, before we show you the magazine. Alright guys, so before we show you the magazine. Alright guys, before I show you the magazine, I just wanted to show you this little pamphlet thing that we got. It's to get the lights for the dollhouse. So it shows here like an exclusive lighting kit. Let's open this up. Here it shows you how to get the lighting kit. It's the lights for the like living room, the kitchen, the bathroom, and all of the other rooms as well. And then you have this form to fill out. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out the magazine. Up the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 125. And here guys we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. There we go. And here it talks about a basic kitchen. And then here we have a nice picture of a nice little like rustic kitchen there. You can see that someone was busy working, making something delicious. And down here it shows you all of the pieces and parts of the kitchen up here. And then it talks about the clothes that the dolls would have. So this is like to put their linens and things. And over here, guys, it teaches you and it shows you how to put in the wallpaper that we got for the dollhouse. Now, guys, one thing to know is that once we have the entire collection, I will be walking you through how to do each one of the projects in the magazines, and we will be building the dollhouse together, guys. So make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And then that's how it will look once it's finished. And well, that's the end of that. Here we have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, guys, this is from Editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip back to the front. And that's the end of that, guys. Now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. Alright, so here we have our new wallpaper that we got for the dollhouse. It has this nice wood grain on it. We got 2 sheets of it. And on the other side, it's just white because we're going to be gluing this side to the dollhouse. And now, guys, it's time to check out the new little dress that we got. Okay, so here it is. I'm just going to open this up. Bit difficult. There. And okay, so here we have our little dollhouse dress on the hanger. You see the little metal hanger there. I like the pattern. The little pink and red flowers. You guys tell me what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well, guys, that's the end of that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button if you haven't yet, and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, Tumblr, all of that linked down below. And of course, guys, we should have gone over and subscribed to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxing.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Oh yeah, I will have his links down in the description below. Oh, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.